Saturn moving into Aries for a Gemini Rising. Let's get into it. So for you, my love, is going to be hitting the 11th house. So prepare for your friend group to be cut in half. Basically, fake friendships are dissolving and your real tribe is coming into view. So it's funny because Saturn and Neptune are going to be in Aries at the same time. So it's like a double whammy. Let me get into it. Saturn to me is the planet of structure, is the planet of order, is the planet that comes in kind of like daddy and it's like, fix this, fix that, this is not working, and it's going to clean it up. Now, the sad part is that it's a little bit hard. It comes through pretty strict, pretty hard. So there could be some lessons and some tough things that are like, oh man, this hurts. But then on the other side, you have Neptune, which is the planet of illusions. For me, Neptune dissolves and it kind of brings up things. It dissolves reality a little in the sense of you're like, you see what you want to see. You're wearing rose-colored glasses. Sometimes the perspective is a little bit off. But Saturn, on the other hand, is the builder, is very clear, is very practical. So it's almost like Neptune is going to reveal what's fake. It's going to show you the places where you've been lying to yourself a little bit when it comes to the people you keep around. And then Saturn is going to be like, let's build this on solid ground. Let's do better. Let's pick what's practical. So it's going to shift. This is kind of the vibe. It's like your circle will shrink, but your life will expand. So networking is going to be more strategic and more practical. The people that you mingle with, they're not going to be the riffraff. They're going to be people that like, they're taking you somewhere in life. They're people who are bringing stability and groundedness into your life. You're going to start setting boundaries. Again, this is the 11th house, so it's also going to affect your online presence. The 11th house does rule social media and being online. So honey, your discernment, your clients, the people you attract, when you put yourself out there, you're just going to attract a different crowd and you're going to recognize the ones that don't align with you. Another thing that lives in the 11th house is like your hopes and dreams. So you're going to get more practical about them. You're going to start building a solid foundation for where you're trying to go in life. A lot of times we tend to live on the idea, the Neptune side of like, oh, so dreamy, so big, I can do it all. Saturn is going to make you buckle down and actually build it. I'll be honest, there will be moments where you might feel lonely because, you know, life takes away certain things, but it's just building that internal resilience to know that you deserve more. And the thing about being lonely is like the illusions are clearing. So when you look around and you see what you really have, it kind of allows you to see like you were surrounded by garbage. Let it all go. Let Neptune bring it away, bring it up, clear it all out. And then Saturn is just going to fix it and build it correctly. So basically, people in your life, friendships, or your network that's built on like vibes, vibes are not going to hold. You need stability, you need consistency, you need presence, you need more. So you might be stepping into a season of your life where like you just require more out of people, and that's okay. Your vision for the future, your hopes and dreams, they're going to shift dramatically because Saturn is just going to make it really clear what is important to you versus what is not. And being liked, getting along with everybody, that's not what's important. So it's giving, I'm being called to a mission. I'm not just posting content. I'm not just making friends. I'm connecting with people who are in my future. I'm connecting with people that I can see in my life 5 years from now. I'm being really intentional about who I serve, where I put my time, where I put my energy. Your audience even, like it might be less people, but they will be more loyal. They will ride for you. So again, online, hopes and dreams, your network, your friends, but I'm talking your extended group of friends, right? So your discernment is going to sharpen around people and who you surround yourself with. If you're really good at networking, babe, it's just going to evolve to a new level because you're at a new level. Now, Saturn does come with lessons, so it is a little tough. But after this 2.5-year transit, you're going to be so grateful you went through this because you're going to know you're surrounded by the right people. You know how most gurus talk about like your network being your net worth? It really will embody that at the end of this. It's like, let's clear out all the gunk, and the people that are staying, they're either loyal clients, really good friends, people that are building a future with me, or people that align with my mission. And not just like the idea of a mission or like, oh, this is fun, I enjoy this, but like the legacy you came to build. So my advice here will be protect your energy, be really discerning who you allow in and out. Learn the lessons the first time. Don't let them keep coming back around. Like when life is showing you, you have to let people go. Certain spaces, certain groups, certain things that no longer align, let it fall away because it's making room for you to get really clear to the places where you do belong, the people you do want in your life, the people you actually want to serve. And it's like your dreams and hopes are getting sharpened, and that is what you want. You want to step into the timeline where like you're in charge of what you're building and not where illusions are driving. So follow the blueprint of your dreams and let me know if this is landing. You may already be feeling this, honestly, since Saturn and Neptune have been kind of playing a little bit recently. So it may have started as early as like May of last year, and then it kind of took a break and now it picked up again. But honestly, my love, allow it to happen. Let me know if this resonates here in the comments, and I can go deeper if you'd like.